What are the benefits you will get when you mix lemon with olive oil? In this video, I'll talk about the benefits of lemon juice and olive oil mixture and recipe to prepare this drink at home. Due to its surprising health benefits, this mixture is becoming quite popular health tonic. To know how to use it and other details, watch this video until the end. Before starting, I request you, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get instant notification about a new video. Mixing lemon juice and olive oil makes a powerful home remedy. This mixture provides a large number of nutrients. It can also help to calm some disease and prevent complications. Now let's see its benefits in detail so you will know why you should consume this mixture. It improves blood circulation. Olive oil helps to increase the blood flow throughout your body and prevents blood clots from forming. Along with consuming the olive oil and lemon juice mixture, you can even apply it directly to your skin to prevent and reduce appearance of varicose veins. It relieves constipation. Using lemon juice with olive oil for breakfast is a great option. It fights both constipation and digestive problems. Olive oil is a natural laxative. On the other hand, lemon juice has anti-inflammatory properties and helps with bowel movements. Use it if you have gas, abdominal stress, or have too much gastric acid problem. Detoxifies the body. Lemon juice and olive oil are both known for detoxifying your body. They help to flush out the harmful toxins from the body. They also help to clean your gallbladder and liver and help to protect them against damaging particles. Balances cholesterol level. This mixture can bring down high levels of bad cholesterol while simultaneously increasing your good cholesterol. It can also help to keep your joints moving smoothly and minimizes stress on your joints and bones. Benefits for hair, skin and nails. This mixture helps to keep your nails moist and strong. The mixture can even be added directly to your cuticles, keep them healthy and reduce the chances of growing a hangnail. The lemon juice also fights germs and cleans your skin, so it can reduce or get rid of your scalp dandruff. Fights abdominal fat. The mixture helps your body to digest fats better, increase your metabolism. It contains fatty acids that are important to your body because they help to get rid of excess water weight and burn excess fat in your stomach. Prevents premature aging. Just one spoonful of this mixture every day will help your skin healthy and youthful. The mixture contains vitamin E, which is essential in fighting wrinkles, arthritis, and heart disease. The mixture also contains monounsaturated fats and essential minerals that helps your organs and your digestive system to function properly. These are some important benefits of lemon juice and olive oil mixture. Now let's take a look at the preparation method and how to consume it. Take half tablespoon of olive oil and half tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and then mix the two ingredients properly. Drink the mixture half an hour before breakfast. You can drink this combination every day or consume it at least 3 times a week to experience positive effects. Finally, one important thing you must follow. Do not take more than 1 spoonful of this mixture per day. If you do, you may experience some ill side effects. I hope you got all the information regarding the consumption of lemon juice and olive oil mixture. Now let me know, are you going to try this combination? Write your answer in the comment section. If you like this information, please press the thumbs up button on the video to support us and share this video with your friends and family. Stay fit and thanks for watching this video.